Maybe that'll take some boats out.
I wonder how strong it is.
Not that strong.
You don't think so?
Yeah. Not that strong.
I don't know.
Miles worth is strong.
I don't know, but I don't know. You gotta ask someone that lives through that kind of stuff. They can probably tell you. They can probably tell you by the looks, you know.
Take the boat out. Oh no! Dying. There must be a lot of water in the sky right there. Dying. Yeah. Look at the water.
It's dying though, huh?
Look at that tornado. It's building up or what? Dying?
Yeah. Dying.
No, it looks it's spreading out.
This one's still tight.
This one's still tight, yeah.
It looks like it's spreading out. Or yeah, it's dying. It's dying.
Going back up.
Oh!
This one is dying down.
No way, bro.
Oh, look at that boat going to it. What the hell?
If he gets,
now it's back down in the
if
water.
gets sucked up or thrown, then we know to run.
Yeah, it came back down to the water.
He just passed it. No way. That's not close. You ever seen anything like this?
Oi? Yeah, okay. Oh, it's making its way here.
Getting closer. Come to the sandbar. Come to the sandbar.
Ram, put that on.
First time in Hawaii. A freaking tornado out in the middle of the ocean. Oh, it's fucking building up, look.
Tell them to the news. Video probably work more. We'll leave the boat out there. We're gonna know what. I wonder if they'll tell us what force it is.
Wala kang pwede zoom, malalim pa nga zoom look. Oh, yeah, but look at this one.
Look, if you look at the bottom of it, you can see the water from the bottom. Dirt. Must be aliens. Nah, they come looking for me, bro. Take me to your Okay, there it is. Keep going up.
Oh, looks like it's dying.
Look at it. Look at it. Okay, ready? You biter. Oh, it came back.
It's just taking up some water, so there's going to be a lot of rain later on.
And it must have been maybe dying down.
Woo. It's going to rain fishes tonight.
Look at it. I mean, everything is right. They're getting
See, look at the rain coming down that side. It's going to rain pretty hard soon.
Yeah, right now, everybody break down these two guys' screws and see what we got. Joseph! 40. Hey, John, you good? All we got right now is 40 and the 8 and the B.